Hi, Domenica here from easysewingforbeginners.com. In this video I'm going to be showing you a quick way to thread your needle. So I've got my needle and it's slightly larger than what I'd usually use, but for demonstration purposes I've got a bigger one. You need your thread, and to do this you'll quite simply need to place your thread over the palm of your hand like so, and then put the eye of the needle over the thread. And then you quite simply, just with a little bit of downward pressure, just rub that needle back and forth. It doesn't need to be fast. And you'll see that the thread slowly starts to come through the eye of the needle. So you can grab that, pull it through, and then your needle is threaded. How simple is that? Now I'll just show you with a smaller needle. Hopefully you can see that. And the thread, so just place the thread over the palm of your hand, and with the eye of the needle flat on your palm and the eye over the thread, just slowly rub it backwards and forwards, and you'll see the thread has come through the eye of the needle there. So grab that thread and pull it through, and there you have it. And really easy way to thread your needle. It's fantastic. If you like that little hack, then be sure to check out my video for how to tie a knot in thread. If you've liked this video, found it useful, be sure to subscribe, share, hit the thumbs up button, and keep an eye out for new videos and tutorials coming in the near future. Thanks for watching. Bye.